Okay, so sometimes it's just about the idea, sometimes it's just about the team, and sometimes it's about the journey. Every once in a while, you get all three. And this next company has a kick-ass team with an amazing idea and a crazy journey. I welcome SpotItBuyIt.
Hi, my name is Allison, and I'm the co-founder of SpotItBuyIt. I'm going to start off by telling you how we got here. When we were first accepted into DreamIt, we were working on a platform called PopInShop. PopInShop was a marketplace where designers could connect with boutiques. It was like an online dating site. And by the time DreamIt kicked off, we had 299 users in our community, and we were signing up 20 new users on average every week. Designers were spending hours on our site and building a pipeline of hundreds of thousands of dollars of product to send to stores to sell. This article ran in the Philadelphia Inquirer featuring PopInShop under the headline, "Philadelphia is sizzling hot for startups." It's not an exaggeration to say that we were on fire. But we quickly realized we had a problem. One side of our marketplace wasn't engaging. Store owners weren't signing in to approve their designers, so that pipeline of hundreds of thousands of dollars, it wasn't reaching the shelves. It turned out we weren't on fire. Our business was actually burning down. We tried everything we could think of to re-engage the store side of our marketplace, but a funny thing happened along the way. When we went back and talked to customers, and we talked to hundreds of customers, we kept hearing the word Instagram. And the more we looked at Instagram, the more excited we got. It turned out that 90% of our community was on Instagram, and on average, they had 3,000 followers, far greater than their monthly traffic. Across both sides of our marketplace, those designers and the stores, everyone kept saying the same thing: help us monetize Instagram. So we made a decision. We decided to take our contact list, our hard-won customer insights, and that all-star team that Patrick mentioned, and we decided to focus on a bigger and better opportunity. We decided to build SpotItBuyIt, and today we've got the traction to prove that this was the right decision. So now that you know how we got here, let me tell you a little bit more about Instagram. Instagram has over 200 million monthly active users, and at any given time, there are 1 million posts tagged with the word buy. Despite this, Instagram is not optimized for commerce, and it only allows one link per user. For many businesses on Instagram, this link will take you to a website that is not mobile optimized. With millions of pictures of products being posted and viewed every day, businesses on Instagram are losing out on $1 billion in potential sales. Let me put some visuals behind those big numbers, in case you've never actually tried to buy anything through Instagram before. It all starts when you discover something you love. Let's say it's a great briefcase posted by a business, and it's the perfect briefcase for an entrepreneur navigating the mean streets of Philadelphia. Your first step is to go to the business's bio and click on the link. This will take you to their main e-commerce page, which in this case is not mobile optimized, as is the case in many other businesses that you would look at. So now you have to find the briefcase. One click to get to the men's category, another click to try to find the type or exact bag you are looking for, and at the end of it, you might end up on a page like this. Again, not mobile optimized. You can't read the text, you can't navigate the pictures. You have to zoom in just to edit the cart. After all of this, the briefcase just doesn't seem worth the trouble. Now, here's another briefcase posted on Instagram. This one's posted by a business using SpotItBuyIt, and it's a completely different experience. When you click on the link in their bio, you're going to get to their SpotItBuyIt feed, which is a mobile-optimized, shoppable website where you can immediately find the post you wanted to shop and get additional information. You don't have to download an app. You don't have to dig around. Within one click, you're at a buy button. This is what we do. We help businesses capture their $1 billion in missed sales opportunity by creating mobile-optimized, shoppable feeds that are automatically generated when businesses post to Instagram. And it's super easy to set up. All a business has to do is register an account with us, which takes less than 30 seconds, and then tag us when they post to Instagram. We automatically create their feed, which they can edit, and they can choose from a number of different shopping cart options that we support or integrate with. With SpotItBuyIt, anyone selling anything, regardless of their e-commerce capability, can turn Instagram into a distribution channel. SpotItBuyIt is the perfect solution for the small and medium-sized retailer, whether it's one of the million stores on Etsy, or one of the 120,000 stores on Shopify, or even your favorite boutique that doesn't have e-commerce. Any of these businesses can use SpotItBuyIt, and together they make up a $19 billion market in the US. To get started on our platform, we charge a monthly subscription fee. And for businesses that opt into premium integrations, such as using our cart or integrating with their pre-existing cart, we also take a % of sales. So now that you know what we do, let me take a step back and tell you a little bit more about who we are. Like I said, my name is Allison, and I am the co-founder and CEO of SpotItBuyIt. I've worked in startups for the last 8 years, including at tech ventures like Wanderfly, which was acquired by TripAdvisor. I'm also obsessed with Instagram, where I post under the handle Hummus Life. I met my co-founder at Wharton, where we were both pursuing our MBAs. Rupak, sitting in the audience, is an incredibly gifted technologist, and he has over 10 years' experience in software development. Rupak is also obsessed with Instagram, though less about hummus and more about integrating with our API. We've also got 2 stellar developers on our team that helped us turn SpotItBuyIt into a reality. That's Yinghui and Andrew, also in the audience. We opened up the sign-up list for the SpotItBuyIt beta 1 month ago to the day. In the last 4 weeks, 175 businesses have requested our product, and together those businesses have nearly 1 million followers on Instagram. We launched last week with 20 select sellers, and already we're hearing that we're generating more traffic and sales from Instagram than they've had before. Things are looking good. We're here today to raise a seed round, to take our beta to scale and deliver SpotItBuyIt to those hundreds of businesses that have already requested it. We're the right team at the right time to take advantage of this big opportunity. And we know this because we routinely get emails like this one, which comes from a boutique owner in Miami. She has 45,000 followers on Instagram and no e-commerce. And she's responding to a single cold email that I sent a few weeks back. Her email starts with the word, wow, includes the sentence, you guys are onto something revolutionary, and ends with the line, tell me everything there is to know about SpotItBuyIt. If you're in the same camp and you want to know everything there is to know about SpotItBuyIt, which you should, then come find me afterwards. I would love to tell you more. Thanks.